The ocean is a dangerous place. When accidents happen, it can be difficult to get an immediate, accurate and complete overview of the situation. But imagine if rescue personnel could see exactly where everybody was and where to search in real time. Imagine if something happened to you and you needed to be found. What if officers were able to monitor and control the situation, and all critical information was available to the head office, Coast Guard, National Rescue Service, and third-party vessels nearby? Imagine an advanced technology that could save lives. This is why we developed InRange, the world's first wireless personnel on-board system, to deliver accurate location information, even in complex steel environments. InRange by ScanReach.